In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add internship to LinkedIn profile. If you want your LinkedIn profile to reflect your hands-on experience, adding an internship is a great idea. It helps recruiters, classmates, and potential employers quickly understand the type of work you've done and where you've gained practical experience. The good news is that LinkedIn makes this process very straightforward. To begin, go to your profile on LinkedIn. This is the main page where all of your professional details are displayed, including your headline, education, and work history. Starting from your profile ensures that the internship is added in the right place and appears as part of your public experience. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you reach the experience section. This is where LinkedIn stores jobs, internships, and similar professional roles. In that section, click the plus icon. That button is used to add a new experience entry. So if you don't see your internship listed yet, this is the place to start. After clicking the plus icon, choose Add Role. This opens the form where you can enter the details for your internship. LinkedIn may give you a few options depending on your profile layout, but for this task, you'll want the role option so you can create a standard experience entry. Next, enter the job title. This is the title you held during the internship, and it should match the role as accurately as possible. For example, if you were a marketing intern, software engineering intern, or finance intern, type that in clearly. A precise title helps make your profile easier to understand and can improve how you appear in search results. After that, go to the employment type field and click where it says, "Please select." This opens a drop-down menu with different types of roles such as full-time, part-time, contract, and more. Since you're adding an internship, this is an important field to set correctly. From the list, click Internship. Selecting the right employment type helps LinkedIn categorize the role properly, and it also gives viewers a more accurate picture of your background. Finally, click Save. Once you do that, the internship will be added to your experience section on your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. Your internship is now part of your profile, making your experience more complete and professional. If you're updating your LinkedIn, make sure the information is clear and consistent so your profile presents your background in the best possible way.